Hey there, I'm excited to be working with you all to turn you from underdogs into winners. A brief background about myself and Wonsulting. My name is Jonathan Abier. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Wonsulting. Wonsulting is a career consulting company with a mission of turning underdogs into winners, helping those who come from non-traditional backgrounds to land into their dream careers. In this video, I'll be going over different topics to help you tackle ResumAI in the best way possible for you to make the perfect resume. What is ResumAI? ResumAI uses your experience and job title to contextually generate 3 relevant impact-focused bullets for your resume. It generates a different set based on the inputs you add, and then you pick the most appropriate one, customize it to your actual experience, and now you have the perfect bullet point to add to your resume. You'll have unlimited usage for the tool, where you can generate as many bullets as you like until you find one that fits your true experience. Before going into that, let me talk about why a resume is so important in the job search process. The resume is your first impression when you are applying to jobs that recruiters first see. You want to make a great first impression by showcasing that you are a qualified candidate. And how you do this is you share what experiences you bring to the table and what skills you have that are relevant to the job you're going for. Recruiters on average take 6 to 7 seconds to take a look at a resume before making a decision whether or not to keep on reading or to give it an interview. So we want to make sure that your resume is up to par and recruiters say to themselves, wow, I want to interview this candidate, so you can be shown as a qualified candidate. But what do recruiters look for in a resume? Number 1, your relevant experiences and skills. These are going to be your work experiences, your project experiences, leadership experiences, or additional experiences. You want to make sure throughout your resume that there's not only those relevant experiences that you bring to the table, but also the skills that are directly relevant to the job title and job description you're going for. Secondly, your impact and achievements. Instead of just saying, I worked with team members, how did you make an impact in the organization? Recruiters and hiring managers want to see that you went above and beyond, not just doing your simple responsibilities, but actually made an impact. And how you can do this is through numbers and percentages. And then lastly, your education. Where did you go to school at? What university? Are you pursuing your bachelor's, your master's, your doctorates? Make sure to include your education in your resume. Let's dive deep into how you can utilize the tool to showcase these experiences and make sure that you are a great candidate for roles you're applying for. So this is ResumAI. Let's break down how to maneuver throughout the tool. First, click Create a Resume. After clicking Create a Resume, you'll start to build your resume. If you have a technical resume, you should have your resume structured where you have education first, technical skills second, and then relevant experience. And then lastly, skills. If you have a standard resume, you should have your transferable skills first, education second, relevant experience third, projects, and any additional experience relating to the jobs you're going for. Let's break down how to create each section. For work, project, or leadership experience, you will be utilizing the resume bullet point generator to create these. Let's dive deep into how you can use them. Let's say that we're starting with work experience. And let's say that the company that we worked at was Microsoft, and we were a data analyst intern. And then let's say that this was in Seattle, Washington. And let's just say that the start date was from January 2023 to March 2023. Click Generate Points, and you'll put exactly what role it was. It'll pull directly from your relevant experience, and then you'll put your work experience in one sentence. Let's just say that you analyze SQL databases for senior management. Then you'll click Generate. And what will happen is it will generate 3 results, which are 3 bullets that are relevant to the role that you previously had. Let's just say that you did the second bullet with the analyze SQL databases and the third bullet with examine analytical data. But the first one you didn't necessarily do. What you can always do is click Generate again, and you can get even more bullets that might be relevant to the role you're going for that you actually did. You add it directly to your resume, and voila. Now you have a resume with 3 different bullets, and you can also edit the numbers, the percentages, whatever it is. You can edit it very seamlessly in the resume. Let's go to project experience. Let's just say that you took a business entrepreneurship class called Biz 149, and the project that you worked on in that class was called Project Studagement, which is basically an application that helps students stay engaged with classmates. So you'll put that as a title. Then you'll go directly to generating the bullets and would pull the role again or the project. Then you put exactly what you did in the role in one sentence. Let's just say that you created the application from scratch with team members. You click generate, and what will happen is it will generate results based on the input that you had. Let's just say that you have these 3 bullets and you say to yourself, okay, the second one makes sense. This is something that I did, but the other 2 didn't. You click generate again, and what will happen is you'll have even more bullets that you can input into your resume. Let's just say the first one makes sense. Then you add it to your resume just like that. And if you want to edit it, same way, go to the numbers. You can always edit the numbers. Maybe you did do 4, maybe you work with 5 team members. Or for example, maybe you cooperated with not 10 members, but instead 12. It's as easy as that to edit your resume bullets in your project experience. And the last part is going to be additional experience. This can consist of leadership experience, volunteer experience, and in this example, let's just say that you are part of an engineering club and you're the director of events. You are from Seattle, Washington, the position is from there, and then your start date, let's just say that you started in June 2022 and you're still in the role currently. What will happen is the same concept. You click generate points, you'll go directly to what was your role, which was the director of events, and then you'll put your work experience in one sentence. Let's just say that it's organized events for organization members such as workshops and panels. You click generate, and what will happen is it will give you 3 bullets again. Let's just say that you did the second one and the third one, but you didn't do the first one. But instead of clicking generate, you want to add another experience that you did into the input. Let's just say that you collaborated with the president and vice president on budget. Click generate, and what will happen is 3 more bullets will show up that you can use that's directly relevant to the role that you put, as well as the work experience. And let's just say that you did the second one. As you can tell, we have 2 of the same action verbs. You can simply just change the action verb in the front. Let's just say instead of organized, we put created. As easy as that. You can edit your resume, the different parts of it, so you can ensure that these are the correct things that you did in your roles and the most accurate way to showcase your experiences. For your education, you want to put the university that you attend. Let's just say that you're from University of Washington Informatics. So we'll put University of Washington Informatics. Then you'll put your exact major that you're in. Put bachelor's of, whatever it is, master's of, doctorates, etc. And then put the actual major, which in this case is information systems. You'll put the location where your university is from, and then you can also put your graduation date. Let's just say that it's June 2023. That is exactly how you build your education experience. You can also add your skills. So in the skills section, you can add the exact skills that are relevant to the job title and job description you're going for. Let's just say that you're going for a data analyst role at a tech company. What could happen is you put the specific skills, whether it's SQL, Tableau, Microsoft Office, MATLAB, data analytics, that are directly relevant to that job title and from that job description, and you can add it directly to your resume. And after you're done completing the resume, this is how it'll look like. You have your education section, your relevant experiences, your specific skills, your headings, your full name. And then what you can do is you simply click download, and you can download either in PDF or doc. And that's how you can make your resume through ResumAI. Thanks so much for watching. We really do appreciate it here at Wonsulting. And if you have any further questions, please take a look at our Wonsulting FAQ or reach out to your school admins who will let us know if you need further assistance. And we're hoping that we can turn all of you from underdogs into winners. We'll see you soon.